Today, I have with me the Feastables bar, and we're going to be taking a closer look at this under the microscope. Please hit that subscribe, like, and comment below what you would like to see under the microscope. And for every like this video gets, I will plant exactly 0 trees because I can't afford any. And then on a serious note, let's get into today's video. So today's video is a request from Bethany Michaels, and Bethany is wondering if we can look at a Feastables bar. Now, I've done a Snickers bar in the past, and what we were doing is we were looking for bugs. We're going to be doing the same thing for the Feastables bar, and we'll see if we can find anything. So we are now under the microscope, and as you saw in the beginning of the video, I had taken 3 sections, 2 pieces of chocolate and the peanut butter center in the middle, and we are currently looking at one of those chocolate pieces. So we'll see if we can find anything. Now, I am not associated or sponsored by any way by Mr. Beast or Feastables, and I have never tried or tasted a Feastables bar, and that will change today. And I will give you an honest review of what it tastes like. So let me hurp and taste this real quick. Now, taste is kind of a hard thing to gauge because people tend to enjoy what they grew up eating. And so if you grew up eating a bunch of Hershey's, you're probably going to like Hershey's more. But I just tried the Feastables bar, and here is my review of it. I actually like it. It's actually pretty good. And I would even say it's one of my more favorite chocolate bars because it's more of a more mild chocolate. It's not super strong. When I eat Hershey's, the flavor of Hershey's tends to be overpowering for me. It's kind of a strong chocolate, or I don't know what exactly I'm tasting, but Hershey's tends to have a little bit more of an overpowering chocolate taste. This one is not as strong, and even on the sweetness factor, it's not so sweet that I can't enjoy it. So I can eat a little bit more of the Feastables bar because it's not so sweet. So overall, I would say it's a pretty good chocolate bar. I actually enjoy it. It's flavorful and not overpowering. It's just a good chocolate bar. So well done to Mr. Beast for making the chocolate bar. I'm now going to move over to the peanut butter and see if we can find anything in there. I haven't seen anything in the chocolate, so we'll now check the peanut butter. But before I do, then on my Snickers video, someone commented and said, because we didn't find any bugs in the Snickers, but someone commented and said there's always bugs in chocolate, and for the most part, that is actually true. But what we're really looking for is, are we looking for anything live or even body parts of bugs that we can find? And for the most part, the chocolate factories do really well at making sure that they don't have a bunch of visible bug parts in their chocolate. It's really hard to remove all insects from chocolate, or even certain products are really hard to just keep all bugs out. And so there's always a likelihood you're going to have some bugs in there. So just for those who say, yeah, there are bugs, yes, there probably are. But I think most of us are concerned is, can I taste them? Can I see them? I think most of us are just happy with out of sight, out of mind type of mindset when it comes to this. As long as I can't see them or taste them, then I think I'm happy. But for the most part, I don't see anything. So we are now looking at the peanut butter of the Feastables bar. And I will just let you know, I don't actually find anything in this video or in my search. I found no bugs, I found nothing out of the ordinary, and it's just a normal chocolate bar. So if you eat Feastables, then you can put your mind at ease that you can enjoy them. And in fact, they even don't have a whole bunch of ingredients like most candies or chocolates do. So I enjoyed it. It was pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment below what you'd like to see under the microscope. And I hope to see you next time.